Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. Let's get started today on this video where I want to discuss a little bit about how you can tell the markets are going up or down based on simply looking at the chart. This is some of the easiest stuff you'll ever figure out, and I want each and every one of you watching to be able to tell in the future the direction of the market in the short term. So if you look here, what we're looking at is the S&P 500 tracking ETF, the SPY, and again, if you look back, you have Wednesday's action, Thursday's action, and Friday's gap up, and obviously we've faded nicely here, but that's inconsequential at this point. What I want to show you is how you knew today was going to be a pretty sizable up day. Now, what you want to look at, first of all, is Wednesday. Wednesday put in a low right here and reversed. So obviously we see that the market keeps reversing. That should give you a neutral to positive bias on the overall market. Next, what you want to do is notice how on Thursday we had a sharp gap down, which opened below the low of the previous day. Now, most amateurs would take that as a bearish signal. Instead, you want to look more so on the close of the candle. And we're looking at the 10-minute chart here, so each candle is 10 minutes. But notice how it opened below, dipped briefly, and then by the end of that 10-minute candle, it closed back above that low. All right, off the bat, that's a buy signal. Okay, because it shows the inability for the market to close below the previous day's low. So again, that's a buy signal. What happens to the market? It starts to shoot up drastically, and you get this vertical move on the S&P or the SPY here. What then happens is you go sideways the rest of the day. If you know your patterns very clearly, a sharp up move with a sideways move like this is called a bull flag. The bull flag should tell you that there was going to be upside early today as the bull flag played out. What happened today? We got a beautiful gap up, and that pattern played out. Now, once you get the pattern to play out, then it's over. And that's really it. All right, so again, I think it's very interesting to see how this low here and the inability for us to close below here told you that we were going to shoot up here. Then the sideways consolidation told you there was a likelihood of a sharp move up early in the day, and we turned out with a gap up on the markets in the very beginning of the day. Now, what we're following here is a little bit of support short term, and again, even though it's bounced a little bit, if we break down and we head down here, this could be actually a short-term top in the markets, which we won't get into now, but I wanted to pass that information along to you guys in this video. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Learn to be a pro. Bottom line, learn to profit in any market, read the charts, and make money.